everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are checking out the new Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. Hi, so I hope everyone's doing really well today, whatever day, weekend, whatever day it is of the week that you stumble upon this video and what day I actually upload it. Today we are checking out the brand new launch of the Bloodlust palettes by Jeffree Star. He's done so many palettes to, like, I guess this palette collection he's been doing. So I do have, I think, all of them now from this selection of Blood Sugar, Blue Blood, the Conspiracy palette, and now this. I'm actually going to quickly show you this palette that I just bought. I literally bought it a week before he announced this, so I was a bit like, oh, it's frustrating because this palette went on sale, so I wanted it for ages. So I thought if I quickly just show you, I think everyone's seen this before, but I just love it, like the concept of it just being in like a coffin. So that's it. I haven't even touched it yet, so I'm a bit frustrated that I finally got my hands on this and then he released a new one. But yeah, so this is the box. It looks massive, like this is my head in comparison of how big this is, but it is amazing. I actually went to Morphe yesterday because in the UK I don't think there's many Morphe stores at all. But we are up in London Westfields in Stratford, and we went in there just to have a little look. So I was like, oh, it's launch day today. I wonder if they actually have it in store. And when I walked in, if I have any pictures, I put them like around here. And there's just lines and lines. Well, it's just loads and loads of people. It was crazy. So now we're gonna open the box, and I'm just so excited. So this is the palette. It is so big and it's just absolutely beautiful. He released so much on his launch, it's crazy. I mean, some of the stuff was like exclusive to his store, so I couldn't get it. The US shipping for it is too much. This is the box design he came up with to help the shades like not get like broken or anything. So I think that was a good design. So this is the palette. He just released way, like, so much stuff, like all purple and pink related. So he had the mirrors and he had some like hats as well. And obviously the jumpsuits and everything that he does. So let's be open it now. I like the clasp that he come up with. So wow, that is so good. I mean, that is impressive. And there's loads of colours. I don't actually know how many shades there are, but here are all the shades. I think he said, I don't know if it is those two there that are new formulas, but we're just going to see. I don't know what look I'm going to do with this yet. I mean, it is, you know, a little bit intimidating how many colours there are, but it's really, really cool. So let's put that to the side for now. The highlighter I use for today's event is the Liquid Frost by Jeffree Star. I hardly use this because it gives you like such like a, I don't know, over the top look with highlighter, and I don't use a lot of highlighter. I literally maybe have like 2 different highlighters that I use day to day, so that's a bit like over the top sort of thing. So I'm just going to come back once I find what look I'm going to do, and then I'm going to do a look for you on camera. Right, so I've decided what colours, well, or what colours I'm going to use now. There's still so much to choose from, and also I don't do big and bold looks, so I'm probably going to go in with this colour over here, which is like a pastel purple, and probably maybe then go in with this one up here, which is one of his new formulas, which is called Take the Crown. Then there's Blood Queen down here, which I'm definitely going to use because I love that purple. And then there's a If there's any other colours I can like include in the look, then I will, but they're like the main colours I'm gonna choose first. I'm just gonna take my hair out the way so we can focus on my eyes, and because it keeps moving everywhere I'm just gonna hold it. So I'm gonna take my MAC paint pot as a primer. I'm just gonna prime my eyes. This is definitely the best primer I've had from, I haven't really tried any other brands, but that one in specifically I've used is really good. Right, so I'm going to go in with that pastel purple. I said I can't really pronounce the name and I don't want to like butcher it, but I'm going to go in with that first. I'm going to go like around the top of my eyes for this. Even for pastel shade, this still comes out like quite a lot actually, like more than I was expecting. And now I'm going to go in with Take the Crown, which is that really new, I think that's his new like formula, he said. So on first impressions of this, it is absolutely stunning. I mean, he really nailed it with this colour. And for like a new formula, and then to just put it in like a new launch of a palette, that's also, he knew how well this new formula performed. So yeah, this is a really good colour. I love it. So yeah, no, that is really, really good. I mean, I hardly use purple eyeshadow. Well, I say that, and I think for videos I normally put purple on, but like this sort of light shade of purple slash pink I hardly wear, so this is definitely new to me. So I'm just going to darken up this look. I'm going into Blood Queen, which is a really dark purple with like a crown imprint on it. So as far as shading goes, shading is very easy to do. These colours are out of this world. It is just so good. Actually, I'm gonna quickly go into Executioner, because that is like, I don't know, it's like a black, but it has like a purple glitter in it. I'm just going to go into the very corners, because this is where I normally put my eyeliner anyway. I just want to really really make that corner dark when I put my eyeliner on. And once again, it blends so well with it, as you know, it has a purple tint to it. I have a bit of fallout with that colour, however, so I'm just going to kind of try and get rid of that, even though it didn't work, because now it's smudged all over my face there. But yeah, sort of fixed it slightly. I'll probably do it more when I'm off camera. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put on the rest of my eyeliner and to show you the final look, and I'll do my final, I guess, thoughts on this palette. So this is the finished look I have come up with. I added more of the, I think it's called the Executioner, under my eyes instead of normal eyeliner to still get like the purple effect. And in my very inner corners I used Wet Jewel, which is his other formula, new formula, along with the purple shade that he has put in this palette. So overall thoughts, he has nailed it. It's so good. Like, everything in this palette just screams me, and I just love everything. Purple is my favorite color too, so everything of this palette is perfect. I mean, even these shades, like his new formulas, They can be used as highlighters, especially wet gel, because of how like reflective it is. Favorite color, I generally can't decide. I mean, I do like this one, but it has so much fallout. Blood Queen, it is similar to other colours that I have, not from Jeffree Star, just in my collection. So I think his new formulas, I'm going to say, are my favourite because I haven't come across colours like that before. And very quickly, I'd just like to say with Beauty Sleep, which I did not put it onto my eye look. It has like a gold shimmer in it, so in new videos I probably will have to do another video on this because there's just so many colours and so many looks you can create with this. It's just crazy. And along, if people want to see me do a look with Blue Blood, I know it's kind of old news now, but if people still want me to do a look on this as well, as I do love blue colours as much as I do purples, but even just like, you know, combine the two, I mean, purple and blue is just, that's the best. So, but yeah, other than that guys, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it might be in a bit like, you know, not an in-depth review, but I just like trying on colours and see how it goes, and if I do like the palette or not, which I am in love with. I do recommend this to anyone. I do believe it is sold out now like everywhere, but wherever you can get hold of it, like obviously not on eBay because people charge way too much, but as soon as he does a restock or whatever, I will highly recommend this palette, along with like any more mirrors. I mean, I want to get like every single mirror he brings out. They are so pretty. It's just I don't have the money or the room. I mean, I use the Shane Dawson pig mirror now, but even the green one he brought out in summer, I don't use anymore because now I use that one. So it just would be like a bit of just no reason to have them, but at the same time I want all of them. Is that the same for everyone else? But yeah guys, that's the video. I hope you liked it. Please leave a like if you enjoyed, and if you want to see me again, please subscribe. But other than that guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video guys.